Today we're going to try to improve build quality. We're going to adjust the 3 belts inside the printer. There's 2 of them that run front to back and 1 that runs left to right. So let's take the cover off the side and take a look at it. Okay, to start adjusting the belt that's running front to back, you're going to take a flathead screwdriver. I normally start from the top front, and all you do is you slide the screwdriver in here, and you're going to just pop these clips out by sliding the screwdriver in at an angle and then pry up. Pops off pretty easy. It's 1, 2, and 3, and then I already did it, so just pop right off. There we go. Here are your 2 adjustment screws. What you're going to do is just where the belt is, just push back into the belt a little bit, making it nice and tight, and then just tighten the screws down. Do not remove the screws, just loosen them. You want a nice taut belt. You want to get the play out of it if you have any. It's the exact same thing on the other side. The same 2 screws are on the same side, and that'll adjust the front to back. We have 1 more belt to adjust, and I'll spin the camera around. So we're going to do the same thing. Start from the front, pop your clips out, and it slides off. As I talked about before, here are the same 2 screws. Loosen them up, tighten the belt just like you did on the other side. Now, the only other last belt is the one that runs left to right. That screw, same screw by the way, is the T10, is right here, and all you're going to do is loosen it up, put your finger in there, make the belt tight, and tighten the screw down. That will help if your belts are loose or have a little play in it. To put these sides right back on, it's fairly simple. It's basically the same exact thing, the opposite way. You drop it on an angle, and then you just snap them in. That's it. So that'll help a little, especially if your belts are loose. It'll help a lot. So after you've done all this, level the build plate, tighten the belts. The other thing you can do to help your build quality is NetFab. I ran this model, and I lost a lot of detail, and top half of the model just didn't print at all. It was giving me all kinds of problems. One side even came out as just a block. So I ran it through NetFab, and it improved the actual quality of it. And let me show you that here. On the right here, you can see, if you look at that arch that goes all the way around there, you can see that the quality is a lot better on this one compared to that one. So, right there after running it through NetFab, that also helped. And that wasn't because of the belt, that was just NetFab alone. So, if that's something you want to try, in addition to the belts, worked for me, like, subscribe, I'll see you next week.